Shout out to Heat on the Streets.
Real pros at the game.
What's up, you know what I'm saying? This is Sean Quinn from the Heat on the Street magazine, SPOKES-N-VOUGES Motorsports. I'm here with Eric Sr., Eric Jr. They're the famous guys that built this crazy BMW. You might have seen it on the paid in full one, but they came and ripped it up and did something even 2 times better.
I'm Eric Sr., and I'm the original creator of the paid in full movie car. And I did that car for a gentleman named, we call him Big Age. He's a Bronx and Harlem guy. And he came to my shop back at about 1991. I did a couple of cars for him before I actually did the paid in full movie car. And he approached me about building him a car, and I did. And he's the one who had the contacts to put it in the movie. And I'm a Z guy too, besides Beamers and all that. So I just love cars in general. So we work on all types of vehicles. We can please a mass amount of the people out there that are car lovers. If they wanted something special or just keep it true classic, we could do that for them.
Yo, Eric Jr.
What's up, man?
So what's your part in this right here, dog? What's your part of the 2025?
Well, me and my dad, a few years ago, we decided to come together. We saw that these E30s are kind of coming back in style, and we decided to build something together. You know, at that point, we had been working with each other for the better part of, like, I would say, like good 6 years. And, you know, we was doing what we, do, but we wanted to spice it up for ourselves.
How long it takes to build one of these monsters, and how you come up with your concept?
Okay, it takes approximately 1.5 years to build these cars, even though people try to rush us all the time to do it in a shorter period.
How much would it be to build a machine like this?
Okay. On a ballpark figure, this car is easily around $100,000 if you want to really make it nice. And it all depends on the materials. Do you want an engine swap? Do you want all leather or any specific types of material?
So what's all the features on this machine, bro?
All right, so it's a lot, but so basically, I'll start off with the kit itself. So it is what they would call a Folger kit. It's a classic kit that was made in the 80s, specifically for the E30. So what we ended up doing, importing it from Germany. Once it got here, we started going around it. You know, we wanted to be able to make this thing a little extra special. So instead of us just putting the kit on the car like right out the box, we decided to do some nice upgrades to it just to modernize it a little bit.
Well, y'all heard it first. The Heat on the Street brought y'all SPOKES-N-VOUGES Motorsports with the double E's. They came straight from New York. They representing Charlotte now. But you know, you heard it first from me. You know what I'm saying? The Heat on the Street.